I'm a hassle-free type of person. I can't deal with headaches unnecessarily. That's my fear of headaches. My fair share of headaches I can't deal with. Back and forth and thing. I have too much on my plate to deal with on a daily basis. So I've tried shippers on several occasions, and the stress and headache that I have to go through to deal with certain things to get the package cleared and some things sorted out, that's not my cup of tea. So a virgin of mine told me about Islandwide Express. At first I kind of was a little reluctant because I'm saying you deal with one, you deal with all. However, this wasn't the case. They delivered according to what they said. They gave me my package on time. They were efficient. And when you get your package from Amazon and other online places, they box them and double box them because they know it's a curbside or a porch drop off. So they want to make sure that your merchandise is damaged in the process. And all this fluff and insulation. Islandwide Express actually removed them from the package, repackaged them, so it's better for you and cheaper. Not only that, you're efficient, they look out for your well-being, and that's something I can deal with. Once they remove the hassle from me, that's my major thing. And the fact that they're efficient, and the fact that they're concerned about the bottom line to the client. Can't ask for more. Islandwide Express.